Hello friends, welcome you all in our channel Market Mind. So friends, a big news coming from Tata Group, which is TCS is planning to bring buyback of shares. For your current information, buyback means company buy shares back from investor at higher price than the market price. For example, XYZ company share is trading at 1000 rupees in the market. Then company will offer to buy share back at 1300 rupees. So this whole process is known as buyback. So usually company bring buyback to keep consistent growth in shares and provide liquidity in the market. On 6th of October, news comes on Money Control that TCS board meeting is going to held on 11th of October and they will consider to bring buyback of shares. However, it is not yet confirmed. Post meeting FY23 Q2 result will also be released and decision for share buyback price and date will be declared. So last year in 2020, company had offered buyback in the company that had blocked shares of approx 18,000 crore rupees of shares at a price of 4,400 rupees. Apart from this, one of the SME IPO is already live in the market, which is Committed Cargo Care Limited. So Committed Cargo Care Limited is a third-party logistic company provider. Company established in 1980 and has centers in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Jaipur, Ludhiana, and Agra. Talking about the financial profile of the company has released financial information from FY22 to FY23. So as you can see, asset increased from just 2,600 lakh to 4,015 lakhs. Revenue also increased from 8,000 lakh to 12,000 lakhs. PAT also increased from 151 lakh to 533 lakhs, and reserve and surplus is at 2127 lakhs, and total borrowing is 67 lakhs. So friends, overall company revenue is reduced in FY23 from FY22 approx 2000 lakhs, whereas PAT is showing consistent growth year on year basis, and borrowing is also less on the company. Talking about the IPO details, so it is already live on 6th of October, going to close on 10th of October. Basis of allotment will occur on 13th of October on Big Share websites, going to list on action of 18th of October on exchange, and one lot in retail category will block your 1,23,000 rupees. Company wanted to raise 25 crore through this IPO, and all issue is a fresh issue, no offer for sales. Company promoter holding is 98%. Post listing will be reduced to 69%. So talking about the GMP of the company, so it is trading at 25% in the market, showing 30,000 profit per lot as of now. So friends, on first day, totally it got subscription from HNI is 0.79 times. Retail investor got fully subscribed on first day of opening only. So totally got subscribed 3.94 times from retail investor, and totally got subscribed 2.36 times. So friend, this IPO will be very special for us because there is no other IPOs live on the market. So friend, till then stay connected with us for latest update related to IPO and stock market, and don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family members.